back to Serenity Builds.
Wow, looks like we got a new box.
Yes.
Time for some unboxing.
And I'm excited to see what's in here because
We got
a
something
gift
else?
in here.
Oh, we do? How do you know?
I don't know. Just guessing.
Because it's so heavy, maybe?
I mean, yeah.
Very heavy. I figured they shipped us a brick or something.
Okay. Now, let's actually start unboxing.
All right, see what it is.
I'm excited.
Oh, wow. That looks cool. What else is
Sure.
there?
Can you put this over there? Now we got 17. Ooh, this looks like a tiny.
Oh, that might be the captain's jet.
That's
Ooh, my favorite part, paper.
probably why it's so heavy. It's paper. There's a lot of metal parts in this. So
I'll just keep taking all this out, okay?
okay.
There we go.
Yeah, that was a lot. Here.
Okay. Kid
That's
17.
17. Ooh, 18. Ooh, looks like we got new pieces. Looks like we have some tires.
Ooh, that's a big piece.
Oh, that's nice.
That's 18.
Yep. 16.
16.
We have 15. What the?
Wow, that looks like the top of the battle section, the top of where they
I know
connect.
what it is.
You do?
I know what it is. Okay. I'm gonna show you what I think it is real quick, but we got another book.
Careful.
Does that remind you of any shape?
Oh yeah, that'll probably go there.
Yeah. I don't know where it'll go right here. I don't actually know.
What number is that?
13!
Oh,
We're gonna be
that's-
doing that
Is
today!
that the next kit? That's the next kit we're doing, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'll set these aside. 16, 17, 18.
19. There we go.
So this will be
Let's
the kit
put
for
this
today.
in real quick. You okay?
You've been drinking.
Okay, let's put the next book in. And I'm gonna examine this shirt. This is really cool. I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like. Oh, that feels so soft.
It does feel so soft.
Feel.
Nice and soft. That's nice. It's nice gray.
It's so nice. Galaxy class starship. Wait, there's the pin that we got in our pins.
Yeah, very similar. I think everybody gets the shirt, but not everybody gets the pin. You have to pre-order to get the pin.
Yeah.
So
It's
It's
kind
like
of like
recycling.
the second best thing from the pin, it being on a shirt.
yeah, it's nice. They didn't have it in your size, so I got it in my size.
Huh. I've been seeing things around YouTube a lot, and I've always wanted to do this.
Do what?
This.
Wow!
I mean, I
like
always
I-
wanted to do
I've
this.
seen that, but I didn't know you could just do it. This is comfy.
Yeah.
Nice and soft. This is like Target soft.
Oh, yeah.
This is really nice. That's a good value.
Yeah.
I like it.
And look, it shows us all, like, it looks like the blueprints are on your shirt.
I think they are. What's it say? U.S.S. Enterprise NCC
USS.
1701D Development Project.
Huh.
Nice. All right.
I mean, that's pretty nice.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Do you want to start cutting that open and I
Yeah.
will start getting the magazine in the binder?
Yeah. Okay. Let's cut it open with some scissors. And always have a parent's supervision.
Parental supervision.
Yeah. Always have a parent nearby when you are using scissors, especially if you are a kid. But if you're a grown-up, you can just use
Yeah.
it.
My mom is in the same town as us, so when I use scissors, I make sure I'm FaceTiming her.
looks like
5.
we have more of these.
Ooh, fancy. I see some data in there and maybe
Fancy.
some more.
We're gonna look at these things on our Patreon.
That one was able to slide in easier than the last few, so that's good. This one.
Next thing.
All right, I'm getting to learn how to do this.
Yeah.
All right, so I see her, Marina Sirtis, Deanna Troy.
Ooh.
She knows your name.
Yes, I have met both of the ladies from that show.
Stage 15 parts. Yeah, it is called, it doesn't say, but that's the parts. Okay, so basic assembly like we've been doing for that. 16 and 17. 18. Ooh, 18's got some electronics in it.
Ooh.
Stage 15 assembly. I might need my glasses for that. How are you doing in that?
Not good.
May I help you?
I think I got it. I don't know.
I think it'll slide out at this point. There you go.
But I still want to get it.
Yeah, no problem.
15! We're doing kit 15.
Ooh, stage 15. Expanding the skeletal support structure. Ooh. Expanding it. Wow. It's going to get even bigger.
I just can't. I just can't believe this.
It's going to use BM screws, so it means we're doing metal work. That is in this kit? I think it is, yeah.
It is.
I wonder what that part is called. Stage 15 assembly.
Oh, that nice wrapping paper look. Look.
Nice. So we're not using this one this time. Wah, wah. But maybe in the next box. We already have the next box after this box here. They're doing really good with the shipping now.
Yeah.
So you want me to set this aside?
Sure.
All right.
Oh, yeah, we need those.
That's really nice. All right. All right, I will start reading step A while you're doing that. Retrieve your skeleton saucer build, last used in stage 14. Take one of the skeletal support.
Can you help me?
Yes, absolutely. Oh, that's in there.
I'm not strong enough to do that. I'm not authorized.
All right. Retrieve your skeleton saucer build last used in stage 14. Take one of the skeletal support A parts, 15A, and fix it in the place as shown using 2 BM screws. All right, so
Whoa.
put this over here, and it looks like you're building right here. And you're going to add a thicker one right here.
It only came with one.
Haha.
What the?
Okay, you're going to use a thicker one. Look, and here is your holes for that. You're going to use 2 BM screws, okay?
Okay. Do we use thick? I'm guessing. Do we use thick?
Yeah, because it's the center of the section, center of the ship. Are they both the same? Yes, you did that? Yeah, they're both the same. Okay, here you go. Now, here you go. 2 BM screws. We're not there yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 BM screws.
Okay. Recycling. But your BM screws.
It's nice.
I'm gonna put how many do we need?
Total, we're going to use 2, 4, 6, 8. So all of them, I think.
No, we don't use 2. That will go with the rest of the BMs. Okay, now we got all of our screws.
Yep, that's in there. You just got to screw it in there.
Yeah, I mean like, oh yeah. I mean that's in there.
Yeah, just got screwed in there. There you go.
Make sure it's in. 5 years later, in.
There you go. Got right in there.
We want them to be medium tight.
Alright.
And then after they are medium tight, then we are going to go back over them and tighten them as much as you could. This is what I mean, as much as you could. With all of your strength. And maybe have a dad to help you.
Yeah. I got a little bit more body mass.
I'll get the next screws or thing.
They're good?
I feel like that's going to go right here.
Okay, next, secure one of the skeletal support B parts, 15B, as shown using 2 BM screws. So I think you're right. It goes right in the, starts here, these 2 spots.
Guess what? They did it on this one, not this one, and then this is on here.
Okay, yeah, we got to do the 2 on there as well. So, okay.
It doesn't matter what order you do it in, as long as you do it the right way.
So I'll hold it for you.
Thank you,
You're welcome.
Father. Thank you, Father. Words are hard.
Dude.
I mean, they are.
Not in there?
I got it one in there, and I'm like, wait, what? Wait, what do I actually go there?
Yep. This one and that one. Those will be the outside of the ship. Get screwed under
These
there.
things?
Yeah.
Those things? And these? And that click. And if you feel the click and I don't say it, tell me if there's a click.
Okay. Okay. Now, repeat this process on the other 2 skeletal supports, 15A and 15B. So look, you're going to be doing that here.
Whew.
Same. You want to do it at a 90-degree angle. Very good. Okay, now it's time for the next one.
Okay.
And that's going to get 2 BM screws as well. Let me try to hold that for you. Here's your screwdriver.
I'll get the screws ready when you get that in.
2 BM screws.
2 BMs.
There you go. Okay, I'm holding it.
Okay. Felt that click.
Alright. And you know what I mean by a 90-degree angle? Like straight up and down.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. Stage 15 assembly. That part is done. Hey, we're done with stage 15.
That was a little bit easy.
That was pretty good. So
Just use
all we
these
basically had to do is put these on.
Yeah.
These 4 support. Oh, it's getting heavier. But the cool part about the kit is it came with the snake head.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, this better look cool.
That'll be awesome. All right. So that was an easy one.
Yeah, it's a pretty easy one.
I say we do 16 as well in a little bit in the next video. You want to do the next video?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do it.
See you in 16.